Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to enable guest checkout in your website. So, if you have started your online business with WordPress and you are selling product using WooCommerce, then this tutorial should be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. So, first of all, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. So I have already logged in. Here is the WordPress dashboard. Then you have to click on the WooCommerce. Then you have to click on settings. Looks very carefully. Then you have to click on account and settings in this button. So click on it. So you have to keep it checked or check mark, and finally you have to click on the scroll down save. So simple and easy. So I hope you understand how to set up guest checkout in your WordPress website that you have built with WooCommerce to sell your product or service. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress SEO or Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.